Hello there, Mark here. In this video, try naman nating mag-input handling using Java. Noon, nung sa C++, kung naaalala ninyo, ginamit nating command is cin. Pero sa Java, ang gagamitin natin is yung tinatawag na scanner. So, paano siya? Type nyo lang yung capital na scanner. Then, declare tayo ng scanner na variable. New scanner. Open and close parenthesis. Sa loob nito, i-type nyo yung system.in. Kaya nyo lang na ganyan yung kanyang syntax, saka nyo naiintindihan kung bakit ganyan. Basta ang isipin nyo na lang ng scanner is something na nag-check or nagre-read ng mga ini-input ng user. So, what's next sa ating step? Need natin ng prompt kay user. Kuwari, enter your name. Now, after that, need ni user na i-enter yung kanyang name. But before that, need natin din ng variables, string name. Now, paano natin makukuha kay user yung input? So, need natin ng gamitin yung scanner that ang method na kakailanganin natin or tatawagin natin is yung next line. So, whatever na in-input ng user na string, masasave yun sa ating name. Now, to prove that, check natin if same yung kanilang output. Name is, then i-concatenate natin yung value ng ating name na variable. Now, to check, let's run using my shortcut command. Ang shortcut command ko is Alt F4 or Alt 4. Okay, enter my name. My name is Mark. Once I enter, so yun, name is Mark. Name, then kung ano yung enter ko, which is Mark, yun yung nalagay dito. Now, how about if int? So, let's say age. Ganun lang ulit, s out, enter your age. But instead of next line, ang gagamitin nating method is next int. Since int yung hinahanap natin. Then same lang din, age. Concatenate natin yung age. Then run. Enter ulit natin yung name natin, Mark. Enter age 18. So, ganun. Name is Mark, age is 18. So, I hope nag-gets nyo itong short video na ito. If you have questions, comment nyo lang sa baba. Try ko yung sagutan. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!